In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block ads with Nordvpn, a practical guide that's going to make your browsing experience much more enjoyable. Now, ads can be quite intrusive, and sometimes they slow down our browsing or even compromise security. With Nordvpn, you can block these ads effectively and enjoy a smoother online journey. Let's dive in and see how you can do this in just a few simple steps. First, open the Nordvpn application on your device. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure you get it set up and logged into your account. Once you have the app open, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of tools and features offered by Nordvpn. What we're looking for today is something called threat protection. Look for the threat protection option, which is usually found in the app's menu or icon bar. This feature is a powerful tool within Nordvpn, designed to protect you from malware, and importantly, it includes options to block those pesky ads as well. Click on the threat protection icon, and this will open up a whole new range of security options for you to explore. Now, here's the key part. Turn on the ad blocker. Inside the threat protection settings, you'll see an option to enable ad blocking. Toggle this option on, and that's it. You've now activated Nordvpn's ad blocking feature. You might be wondering if there's anything more to do here, but that's really all it takes. This will start blocking ads across the web, improving your browsing speed and reducing distractions. Let's add a quick note for you here. Although ad blocking is highly effective, some sites may still display ads as they have found ways to bypass common blockers. However, using Nordvpn's integrated solution adds an extra layer of protection that some standalone blockers might miss. This feature not only blocks ads, but also enhances your online security by preventing you from visiting malicious websites and dodging online trackers that are constantly trying to capture your browsing data. Once you've got everything set up, just sit back and enjoy your ad-free experience. It's that simple and quick, as you've just seen, and it can make a big difference. To sum up, hopping into your Nordvpn app, enabling threat protection, and switching on the ad blocker is all it takes to step up your internet game. Remember, this is about creating a safer and more seamless browsing experience. We hope this guide helps you enjoy a cleaner internet environment. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and browse safely with Nordvpn.